have this interesting question from algebra, quadratic equation. Let's see how we can solve this. Average of two real solutions for this equation we need to find out. Okay, first of all, what is the general equation of a quadratic equation? That is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This is the general equation, right? Now, if this is the general equation, what is sum of roots? Sum of roots is minus b over a. That means minus coefficient of this x over coefficient of x square. Okay, so this is the sum of roots in case of this general equation. Now in this case, the equation is different. What will be a here? A is a itself, yes. What is b in this case? B is negative 2a, yes. B is negative 2a, coefficient of x, correct? Now what will be sum of roots? Sum of roots will be negative b by a, negative 2a over a, correct? Now a and a can be cancelled. Sum of roots will turn out to be 2. Now what will be the average? Average of these two solutions will be sum of roots over 2. Why 2? Because the sum is of two real solutions. We are trying to find the average of two real solutions, yes. So sum of roots upon the count of roots, that is 2. That will be 2 upon 2, which is equals to 1. So our final answer, the average of two real solutions for this quadratic equation will be 1. This will be our final answer.